What's the meaning of bide? Bide. Bide.
Bide. Bide. The word bide has several meanings, all of which revolve around the concept of waiting. At its most basic, it simply means to remain or stay in a certain place or situation, often while waiting for something to happen. For example, one might bide their time while waiting for the right opportunity to present itself, or bide a while to allow someone else to finish speaking before responding. In some cases, the word can also be used to imply endurance or patience in the face of adversity, as in the phrase bide one's suffering. Overall, bide is a versatile verb with many useful applications in everyday conversation.